Well, hello YouTubers on this beautiful spring day out here. A lot of sunshine. I love this time of the year. You can get outside and get a lot of things done before it gets too hot. And I'm pretty excited today. I have a new member to my family here of automobiles. And there it is. A 2002 Chevy Trailblazer. I know, all you Ford fans are cringing right now. I've never owned a Trailblazer, but this is something I wanted to actually experience, and I got this yesterday at a dealer at a really good deal. I mean, I couldn't believe the deal that I got. And we'll look at it here in a second, but it is an 02 Chevy Trailblazer with a 4.2 Vortec engine, I should say. It's got the factory fog lights in the front, and the grille, it looks really straight and clean, no accidents or anything. The paint on this thing is in really good shape still. Let me just kind of walk around. I'm going to try not to make this video too long. As we go around on this side, you can see the back of it. Really good shape. It's got brand new tires on the front. The back tires are, they've been rotated, or they've just actually just put them on the back from the front. But they have lots of tread on them. Got the factory running board there on it. And here's a look at it from this side. I'm really excited now. I still have my Ford Explorer, the Eddie Bauer 04 model. I am getting ready to sell it, so I wanted to have something to be able to tow my trailer with. So I don't bought this. It's got a full tow package on it, and look at these tires on the front. Very nice. Let's just say I don't have $2,000 in it. And I got the factory tow hitches on the hooks on the front in case you get stuck. And let's go inside, and let me tell you, they don't get any cleaner than this for something that is from 2002. Oh, let me get the key out real quick. Look at this interior. I don't think it's ever been smoked in. And the mileage is also something else that sold me on the vehicle. It has only 136,000 miles on it, original miles. It's got a really nice stereo system in it. It's got the OnStar, which I kind of freaked out yesterday. I pushed one too many buttons when I bought it. Lots of cubby holders. And we'll start it up here in a few minutes, but I want to give you guys a good look at it. It's got a nice cubby hole here. But, I mean, look at these seats. There are some good deals out there if you know how to look and look around to find them. And it's got the full power seats and everything, lumbar and all that. Look in the back here. Now, what I like about this is my Ford Explorers, they all have a bad issue down here, rusting out where the rocker panels are on the second seat is. Not this one. And take a look at these seats. I mean, just, they don't get any nicer or cleaner than this. That's not a spot, that's just an impression there. But just a nice Trailblazer. Now, I drove it yesterday when I got it out on the highway, and I was surprised it actually rides better than the Ford Explorers. I like my Ford Explorers, don't get me wrong, but I thought this would be something a little different. And there's the back of it. I'm still doing a lot of research on it. I'm finding things here that I didn't know anything about a Trailblazer. If any of you guys have owned a Trailblazer, let me know what you think about them. This is an 02. I'm mainly interested in the 02 on up, the newer Trailblazers, and there is the full tow hitch. How about that? And the frame is in pretty good shape. A little rust, you know, nothing unusual, pretty typical. On this side, see, you don't have to go out and spend a fortune at a dealer on a new car. This is where people get in trouble. They get behind on their payments and their insurance, and it's just way over their head. People, if you're ever going to do anything right, pay cash for your vehicle. Okay, that's all I'm going to say about that. It's got it's got a center seat here and all that. I mean, it's got a heater control in the back, cigarette lighter, or a aux port there for a accessory. I mean, just in superb condition on the inside. I can't wait to start driving this. It's going to be about a month. because I gotta wait for the title to come back. I didn't put plates on it yet. I'm gonna wait. The only thing I've got to do to it, it's got a rattle over here on this side. The check engine light is on. It's got a code for emissions. There's a vacuum line or a hose off, I'm not sure. Let's go in and start it up real quick. I mean, just amazing. Clean. I don't think I've ever had a vehicle this clean. So this would be what, this is an 02. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost 17 years old. And it's in this really good of shape. And I did get a manual with it, because I don't understand this OnStar stuff yet. I haven't quite figured it out. So let's go ahead and start this up and listen to this engine. Just a smooth running engine. I'll raise the hood. Nice radio. I'll have to figure this out later. Air conditioner works. It's got the automatic right here. I can be cruising down the highway, resting my arm here, and just lifting up a finger and touching the radio, changing the stations without even taking my eyes off the road. The thing that really sold me on this, and what I hate about Ford Explorer, is if you get an Explorer, it's all-wheel drive. It's always an all-wheel drive. Well, not this one. This one you can take it out. You can either just drive around two-wheel drive, or you can flip it up in automatic four-wheel drive, auto, or lock it in four-wheel drive right there. This probably sold me on the vehicle the most, and the reason why I wanted to own a Chevy Trailblazer is because it's in two-wheel drive. That means the front differential and the drive shaft isn't working and eating up your front tire. So I still like my Ford Explorers and my Expeditions, but I don't know why Ford didn't do this. I'm not sure why they didn't allow you to disconnect the all-wheel drive system. All right, but it's idling. Let's raise the engine, raise the hood. Now, I will have, like I said, I'm going to make a video on the check engine light on the emissions code, the PO 1141, I believe. I'm not sure. Change the oil. Fix this front right wheel that's making a little bit of a noise. Deal with that a little bit later. We'll make some videos on this. And oh, I know what it was. The other thing, the window here, it's kind of stuck. I'm not sure what's going on with it. It might be off the track, but I'll pull this panel off on the inside, take that off, and we'll look at it. So let's go ahead and raise the engine up here. Raise the hood up and look at the engine. Let me stop this clip so I can start a new clip. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and raise this hood. And I'll try to do this with one hand. Hold the camera in the other, so bear with me a second. All right, there we go. Sorry about that. And look at that engine, how clean it is. 4.2 Vortec engine. It's got a air filter sensor cleaner. I forget what they call this. Let you know if you need to change your air filter. And what's really cool about this, look how easy that belt is to change. You can get right in there and get into that and change it. That side. I mean, the engine is just purring, not even shaking. Not bad for 130-some thousand miles. Very clean. So I'm really excited about going to be driving this. Checked all the fluids, not bad. The transmission fluid really needs to be changed. It's kind of dirty. Which is nothing new there. People don't usually take care of their cars like I do, but at least it's full. So what I'm going to be doing over the next week or so, I'm going to be doing some work on it, getting it, you know, in really pristine shape and everything. If you want to see some videos, let me know on some things. If you have a Trailblazer and you have an issue with it, let me know. Maybe I can help you out by looking at this and giving you some advice. But I can work on Ford Explorers, the Expeditions, blindfolded. I know them inside and out, so this will be a little bit fun to work on. But I do like it. I like the look of it. It's kind of beefy. I'm thinking about putting some a light bar on the top, maybe taking off the running boards and putting a 3-inch lift kit on it. Just bring it up a little bit. What do you guys think? Let me know. or if you have any links to some really cool Chevy Trailblazers that are all you know, pimped out, let me know. Give me some ideas. But like I said, that's the thing that sold me on this. It's not in four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive all the time. I hate that. And that means when I'm on a long trip on the highway somewhere on the interstate, I can just leave it in two-wheel drive and drive normally down the highway. So, see the tires are like brand new. Alright, so we're heading in the video here that oils needs to be changed, and I'll have to go over everything. Like I said, there's a rattle over here. I'm not sure what's going on, but this is what you get with older vehicles. You know, they're not perfect, but you know, in order to maintain them and keep them perfect, you got to do maintenance to them. So other than that, we're going to shut it off and we'll end the video. And this is an LT model. This is not the extended one. They have an extended one, and the way you can tell the extended one, the glass is about a foot longer. So this is really nice. And look at this from the 90s. Ooh. I guess it's a magnet mount antenna for a bag phone, cell phone, I'm not sure. And here's the top of it. No sunroof, which I'm glad. I hate sunroofs. And they're okay if you want to drive around, look cool in them and all that. But like I said, the service engine light's on, and that's it. All the gauges, everything works on the inside, just immaculately, just clean as can be. So, all right, so that's it. I'll give you guys updates a little bit later. My Explorer should be gone here in the next couple of days, and I'll start working on this and letting you all know how things are going. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.